Students take out human chain protests and stage sit-ins demanding unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. Akomlup Kanglei Park urges relevant authority to ensure efficient operation of the minor irrigation and agriculture department. And CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham urges women folks to join in governing the state. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, students of various departments of Manipur University staged sit-ins and demand for unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University and to restore normalcy in the university. Students and research scholars of the Department of Linguistics and the Life Sciences Department staged sit-ins at their respective department complex today. Various placards were used during the protest.
According to the student protest story, Pakiba was asking Aduga Mahirosing a condition amta Yaudana Tadok Piraknabani. Aduga Hausi universities the Matomaram Kangana Matomaram Kangdo Piba Mamdalaise. See Amuhana normalcy amda Puraknaba government da Aduga Maryland authority da Haizabane. Housing Bow the Koina Jataraziam democratic overmong the violence Kayabasnateva. Aduda problems adum science lairagadi akhoi stand da adum laihini haitare
oza sing phajal lakanda chhatra sing phajal lakanda akhoi karam matamda akhoi normin si porpang amgadoino adu akhoi kan oza sing chhatra sing yaurin akhoi kamaina pekha thagadoino akhoi pekha akhoi parikha ju than biu larik put tambaje free oina tamba phangan biu aduga campus manung se akhoi education free zone ohenji haibje haijaning.
Students of 10 schools took out a human chain protest on Tidden Road today and demanded unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. The protest was staged as a part of the ongoing agitations initiated by 6 joint student bodies against the recent Manipur University crisis. The protesters also demanded removal of security forces deployed in Manipur University and to restore normalcy in the university. Imphal West police teams tried to prevent the students from taking out the protest. The agitation was finally contained after holding talks between students' representatives and the police. Taking part in the agitation are representatives of the 6 joint students' bodies. K.H. Suraj condemned the government for not resolving the varsity issues despite assurances to resolve the crisis. He also condemned the government for trying to arrest more students amid public demand to release the apprehended teachers and students without any conditions. Various placards were used during the protest.
Mayuri Singh Pazan Gibado condition Amatanong the Tatok Bureau, Pandegi Matricta Saturday Inquiry Committee, Hoyatubo Tundulusan Bureau, Aduga MU campus, Hiram Amataki Security, Natraga State Forcing, Center Forcing, Tambaya Rehabase, Akoingasi, Akogi, Sanjaliba, Kunjangasida, Akogi, Banner Amada, Yaujari, Marina. Lengakna akhoi ko wari sanabagi tam amada hojibogda yanana purakane habasi akhoi purakpa oiba yai adu hojimaki oinadi akhoi ga moi ga kariumba hiram amata da wari sanabaga akhoi gi waroisin yasanaba purakpa leitre maramdi akhoi gi phajing ba thomi sing amadi ozajing hojibogda condition amata yaudana thadokpa haibaje leitre banina akhoi makhata ba akhoi makhata na yanabai khongjang je akhoi leitre haidare.
Akomlup Kanglei Park has urged relevant authority to ensure that the minor irrigation and the agriculture department operates efficiently. Speaking to media at Akomlup office in Lamphel today, Secretary of the association, Santa Mangang, expressed disappointment that many paddy fields lack irrigation facility. He said water pumps under river lift irrigation scheme of the department are non-functional and hence farmers do not get adequate irrigation for their paddy fields. He urged authority concerned to repair the pumps without further delay to avoid scarcity of rice in the near future.
Akhoi valley de maru orisidi surface ta gidi hena akhoi river lift irrigation na MI scheme amle turen manung da 25 horsepower gi pam ama khilakanda ising je turen dei chingkhalaga 20 hectare chawba jaga phau akoi irrigate tawse masi MI na river leaf irrigation scheme gi matung in tawi haiba scheme jing si akoi gi PMKSY Ministry of Water Resource NLCPR NEC amadi nebat ki fund gi tawwa scheme ngatani haiba scheme sing sida 843 MI project se 43,514 hectares e moina MI minor irrigation department jina implement tawba loire na akoi gi report ama lei haiba project se implement tawra complete oi gi tar di kari do bagi ngasi akoi gi low mayam si kangaga ising changdadana ising laktadana low sat pangam dana lei si kai maram gino.
Winners of Swachhata Hi Seva Cleanliness Campaign competition in Imphal West District were felicitated at Koiranyani Hall of Imphal West DC complex today. The competition was organized in 4 different categories as a part of Swachhata Hi Seva Cleanliness Campaign held from September 15 to October 2nd. Fayeng Gram Panchayat, Hauravi Junior High School, Community Health Center Wangoi and Thawungkhok Water Supply Scheme backed the cleanliest Gram Panchayat School, Hospital and Water Supply respectively. DC Imphal West, Naurem Praveen, Imphal West, Adaksha R.K. Taruni and Upa Adaksha N.G. Bimola attended the felicitation event. Speaking to media, Naurem Praveen said 5 out of the 39 Gram Panchayats in Imphal West district were chosen to confer the awards after strict scrutiny. He stated that 3 cleanest schools were selected for the felicitation out of 35 schools selected from 242 schools in the district. The awards consist of cash prize and citations.
Overall, the competition is the period cash prize is punna lupala amani. The thawak tawriba officers sing. We can karga kaigan arga lupala amji komdelaga punna prize money. Lupa lam sing si pizza bani aina thazaba si tungda mathung sai dasu among hena akoi the prize money si wanghale raga akoi gilu nan bagi keno si mayam sida hena thawa yauna ba digi then matam supada laikai office hospital na adigi school na sing si lu na thamaga overall district sigi environment adigi akoi state sigi environment si phanab dhona bada mayam si yam mating pangani hab sai thaz.
A one-day farmer-integrated training program on the market-led extension was held in the training hall of Mangal Mahikol at Nongpok Laurimbam of Thoubal district today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thoubal jointly organized the program under the National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. DC Thoubal Haubam Rosita, MSF ABC Project Coordinator MS Khaidam and Senior Scientist of KBK Thoubal Dr. Jesmarani Sarangtem attended the training program. Over 50 farmers took part in the program. Comrade Union Northeast India has appealed to the relevant authorities to give a befitting punishment to the murderers of M. Saireng Khub, alias Akhup Kom of Thomchanran village in Chandel district. The union also warned of intense agitations along with various civil society organizations if appropriate actions are not taken against the culprits. It may be recalled that Akhup Kom, a daily wage earner, was murdered by slitting his throat on the night of September 30th. The deceased hailed from Bungsalen village of Churachandpur district. He is survived by his wife and 4 children. Post-mortem was conducted this morning at Porompa Jenims Morgue. However, family members resolved to claim the body only after holding a talk with the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, Com Student Union and Comrade Union Northeast India have strongly condemned the brutal killing and demanded befitting punishments for the culprits. According to an earlier report, 4 accused were already apprehended by the police.
Pharaga Makoina, Mangak Lien Talaga, Hat Pahebishi, Yam the Tamtiba Mihatni, I quite Comrim Union, Yam Nakan Monga, condemned Taujari, me, Mary, Padana, law enforcing agency, policing na custody de Leile, Makoi Loina, main accused ni, I quite source ta. Koi confirm tawi makoi chibu policing na jail da thadana thadok piragadi koi yamna pendaba lakani akan ba khongjang changakani asiungba mi singshedi matik chaba chairak piraga jelda thamdona aikhoi society marakta aki akhang leitana leiba ngamnaba tawbiu every civil organization khuding mangna so sigumba sathiba criminal singse aikhoi society sedegi muthatnaba hotna minersi sarkarna ex gracia pifam thokpado thuna i halaga makhoi awaba khiktang ko hanbiu.
Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights in a press release have strongly condemned the brutal murder of M. Sairenkop alias Akupkom of Thoncharan village, Chandal district. The forum has demanded the police department to take immediate actions against the culprits. A powerful IED was planted in an adjoining area of Wangjing and Kongjom in Thoubal district. 26 Kongjom headquarters Assam Rifles personnel on patrolling duty discovered the bomb at Uningkong near Lamding Lokol under Kongjom police station early this morning. Assam Rifles personnel alarmed Kongjom police and later a state bomb disposal squad rushed at the spot. The bomb weighing almost 5 kg was placed inside a silver container and was connected with a 300-meter-long wire set towards the paddy field. The bomb squad managed to carefully recover the IED around 1 this afternoon. The bomb made out of gelatin, iron pieces, nails and other substances was finally disposed of safely nearby the recovery site around 2:30 this afternoon. The bomb is suspected to be planted in target of the security forces. A combined team of Thoubal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested a member of proscribed outfit RPF PLA last night around 8. The team arrested Laishram Ranjit alias Angangcha, 34 years, son of late Samu from Kangabok Awang Laikai near KM Blooming School in Kangabok Bazaar. World United Youth Club celebrated its 51st Foundation Day today. The event was held on World Club ground in Wangkai Angom Laikai. Speaking in the event, MLA Ketrigao Nahakpam Indrajit asserted that service to everyone is the endeavor of the present BJP-led government and urged all to cooperate in bringing a welfare society. MLA Indrajit maintained that the present government does not just blabber but is action-oriented. He appealed for unity in marching ahead towards development. He also cautioned that there are many potentially harmful issues threatening the state at present. He appealed to follow the ethics of the forefathers and cooperate with those sincerely working for the welfare of the state. The MLA also lauded World United Youth Club for undertaking various welfare works in areas under the club and assured of all possible assistance in its ventures.
Koi ke no sarkar ni ado no sarkar di waji thoi ngang jati koi thaba koina tak chai param di wangang busi yang wangam me yang toro me yang haina me to gi thaba kya koina ujarak pada gini ngasi koina thaba koina tak chai aduna ne koi gi honorable cm na ngasi yang toina hai ba koi hana le ramga su koi ano bolak sere hana yi wakal loina ka tu pira kanda koi mikap amtang thogre ji gaina koi honorable cm na yang toina hai bi betu koi amtang mikap thola ji ha be se ngasi gi sabati tam jari club hai bisi atu ematik luba kendra jaga jaga da lekai da leiba club bisi kwai di maru hoiba lekai tu ki di maru hoiba ne bisi ngasi ki foundation day ki mari lena aina me ang thamjari ba.
Taking part in the event, MLA Wangkai Okram Henry has urged the present government to stop finding faults with the previous governments but to start proving themselves worthy of their election promises. He maintained that the present government is successful in bringing further developments only by relying on the foundation of developmental works initiated during the regime of the previous governments. Assuring of assistance from the opposition party, the Congress MLA urged the state government to pressurize the centre in bringing all development works assured during elections into actions. Worth number 21 co-operator Joy Kabui, Managing Director cum Proprietor of HBS Construction Materials Private Limited, H. Bikramjit, President of World United Youth Club and Babu and many people attended the event. A memorial stone dedicated to the deceased club members was also unveiled on the occasion.
hojik phok uriba mami sidadi paisa je moina pining drira ekhoi dagi haibada soi libra moina bhab tanadrira paisa je ama phok laktre haiba sidi ai isa MLA mo oina ichau chauna haijari bas paisa sunglai leiti moi paisa kari ginova senda da pidri se kari ginova haiba ngamda bagira maron phangna da bagira mi kana gum khara di phagi dawi khoi Manipur government kanggu je ada pau phongna haitra bra ya haijari je chaibagi wanate takbu wala ba piu kadang hare ba sumbi biroi kagino da madu chintana deba kapta law na khom thilagadi phangbani da imai bel isai su leinari ngaktani da
Joitlang village inhabited by Chote community in Chandal district celebrated its 35th Rising Day today. Vice Chairperson of Disaster Management Authority Adim Pamay graced the event as the chief guest. Adim Pamay encouraged the people of the community not to get disheartened despite being a small community. He said it is high time for the community to carve their unique identity by promoting their distinct traditional attires and other items to the rest of the world. Adim Pamay disclosed that the centre has already sanctioned 8,606 crore rupees under border infrastructure management scheme to start 60 developmental projects for all the villages within 50 km to international boundary. Meritorious students who successfully cleared the recent Class 10 and 12 examination conducted by Bosum and Kosum from the village were also felicitated on the occasion.
Border taba jaga ge 50 within the 50 kilometers border dagina laiba khunching sibu chawkhatningai damakta project hoji 8,060 crore asi Ministry of Home Affairs dagina kai thoklaga paisa se earmark tawga thamaga laikhreba ni disaster management se Ministry of Home Affairs makhada ni aduna aina pangma ngamba aina haibada tagdaba DC sing ama masing tawraga ai Chaptana Chandel district, Technopal district, Fungyargi, Punama assisting Chai Mateng Pangani, Kundugi Stip Oiva Pangmasisu arrive nate, Punsida village authority, Anira Oivang Amdra, Sikim Yam Yabaniko. Aduna, a coin towering a Matamaduda, Prajaga, a coiga, Manana, Satba, Namba, Oigadabuni, have Aina Hining Money.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has appealed to women folks to take part in governing the state like their male counterparts instead of shying away from politics. The minister was speaking in the 18th Foundation Day celebration of Leimarol Kojaikol Laikol at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Yeshkul Police Land today. Speaking further, Karam Sham emphasized on the contribution made by women folks in different fields. He expressed disappointment at the rising rate of crimes against women. Lauding the contribution of women writers of the state in countering such crimes, he urged them to be forerunners in highlighting the errors to bring about a well-developed society. Laikol confer Hiam Kulachandar Radhe Shaki Award 2018 to writer Yumnam Rajendra, Ketrimayum Yaima and Thambal Devi Ningsing Sahitya Award 2018 to writer Lanchenba Mitei and Khaidem Pramodini Ningsing Sahitya Award 2018 to writer Chongtham Jamini on the occasion.
Manipur is society that Imaibil Singh allowed the role like Nupati and a role away. Zaka Makati, Sundar Village, Karamataka. Why did he Maru Uri? Laina died lowly active politics the option of the college. Like Susi on Hiraba Kanaba, Nupata Suhena, the Wakalo later, Karigi, nothing the later. Yokshan Galavani, two of the Yokshan, Rani Doji, Gold Lepsi, Umpugi Manum, the Nupi Manga Karagi, at the Lebak Nak of the Yausia. Moya Wakalo, Patana shared the with the life of the village. Selen Zokani, Samasi, Karigino. Masi Samal Sokana Honava, and Hiram Kodemo the Nupina title, Laura, Karigihan, Hirapuina, later.
Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur, in the press release has informed that the 24-hour open toll-free women helpline number 181 is non-functional for some time due to technical problems, and hence people are requested to contact 700-577-6144. I repeat, 700-577-6144. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao state-level felicitation and recognition program at Trade and Expo Center in Lamboi, Kongnangkong today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaucham Shyam Kumar exalted the women's section and appealed not to abort girl child. He was speaking during the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao state-level felicitation and recognition program organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh at Trade and Expo Center in Lamboi, Kongnangkong today. Speaking further, Minister Shyam Kumar said, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to prevent abortion of female fetus and to ensure that every girl child is nurtured and educated to play a significant role in the country. Acknowledging that preference for male child over the female child is widely seen even in Manipur, the minister urged all to leave behind such attitude. He maintained that girls are way ahead of boys in many fields including sports, education and art and culture in the state. Shyam Kumar also mentioned that women of the state are excellent in the field of sports and art and culture in the world, bringing laurels for the state. He called on everyone to appreciate and support women all the time. Works Minister Thongam Beswajit, Rajya Sabha MP, Ketrimayum Vavananda, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kibgin, MLA Lukhoy and MLA Surchandra attended the event.
Manipur any school the secondary the higher secondary the college the university the adagi martial arts the Malian the going a Malian ngi sadumung kaya the Manipur ki nupi sing nang asi di pidama tha dona sawa bhas ki mo silakanda merikom adagi si tungan ba sarita tungan to mayam sa Malian the pidama tha thame kana gi no state asagi ne aduna nupi than na yeng ba yaroi aduna beti bachao beti padhao wa basi Manipur the
63rd Wildlife Week celebration kicked off at Orchid Preservation Center in Kongampa today. The celebration is launched by the Forest Department on the theme Celebrating Rights of Wildlife. There is no entry and the center will be open from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Chief Conservator of the Forest Department, Anurag Bajpai, graced the event. Arabti Young Learners Club organized a blood donation camp in connection with its 36th Foundation Day today. Arabti Young Learners Club and Life Savers Manipur jointly organized a camp in collaboration with State Blood Cell, National Health Mission Manipur and the Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS. A total of 58 volunteers donated blood at the camp. It may be mentioned that an awareness campaign on blood donation was held ahead of the blood donation camp on October 1st. Lamjingba Group's Lamjingba Eco Housing Exhibition cum sale was held at Hotel Imphal today. Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Jackie Mangang, launched the event around 10 this morning. Spot booking for free Lamjingba travel card of up to 20,000 rupees, a credit limit, gift hamper, sport loan sanction facility, 2-hour-long speech by product expert and interaction program were the main highlights of the event. Lamjing Mera Seri Kam Handloom and Handicraft Cooperative Society Limited organized a looms and tailoring machine distribution program at Loktak Maru Community Hall in Phubala today. The event was organized under Moirang Kendra Progressive Front and sponsored by social worker Thongam Santi. Speaking in the event, social worker of Moirang constituency Thongam Santi urged all to inculcate the habit of repaying loans taken from banks in order to make a government-initiated scheme for women to be fruitful. Rajesh Ningombam, a 22-year-old from Kishampad, Thokchom Laikai, Imphal, has been selected to participate in the upcoming Global GLOWS Model United Nations Delegate 2019 to be held in Malaysia from January 11 to 14 next year. Rajesh is an MBA Finance student of Pondicherry University and has given his last semester examination. He was one of the few selected from amongst 5,071 applicants from India. Now the sports news. Khundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut has entered the final match of the 7th Mangsatavam Iboyaima and Punyabati Memorial Mixed League come a knockout Kendra-wise Kang tournament. In this first semi-final match of the tournament played today, Khundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut beat Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut by 18-13. 14 Kangkhuts are participating in the tournament organized by Singjamai Kendra Kangkhut under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association and sponsored by Census Director IAS M. Hare Krishna and his family. The 14 Kangkhuts divided into 4 different groups are competing each other at Nandaibam Laikai Kangsang in Chingamathak. Kishamthong Kendra Kangkhut will meet Singjamai Kendra Kangkhut A in the second semi-final match on October 5th. Two bodybuilders of Kanglei Bodybuilders Gym, Tera Sapam Leirak, will be participating in the first International Natural National Bodybuilding Championship to be held at Ambedkar Bhavan, Vasant Nagar in Bangalore on October 13. It may be mentioned that KBB Gym, under the supervision of Chief Coach S. Joy Chandra, has trained many bodybuilders for various world and Asian level championships. The gym takes no monthly fees except for a minimal admission fees. Nepram Roshan, son of N. Dhanachandra, and Roma Devi of Sagolban Nepram Manjor, and KSH Arunjit, son of KSH Tomba, and Mema of Moirang Hanuba Lerak are participating in the championship organized by under the aegis of International Natural Bodybuilders Association. The winners of the championship will get to participate in the Natural Olympic Bodybuilding Championship to be held at Las Vegas in USA this November. Thingom Nena and Thingom Tapasri from Uripo Khaidem Laikai have bagged gold medals in Taekwondo, kickboxing, belt wrestling and Kung Fu events of the 3rd Annual Martial Arts Games, which commence on September 28 at Dispur in Assam. International Chinese Shadow Boxing Kick, Wushu, Kung Fu Academy, Manipur loaded the players for bringing laurels. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Students take out human chain protests and stay sit-ins demanding unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. Akomlup Kanglek Park urges relevant authority to ensure efficient operation of minor irrigation and agriculture department. And CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham urges women folk to join in governing the state.